Johan just called me that we got a delivery in the chandelier because we have 48 hours to let them know if anything breaks or not. We checked, I think, 6 o'clock in the evening.
To install the lustre?
Yes.
Yeah? Good luck.
Not today.
Yeah. So good luck.
Yes.
Hi Johan!
Hi, Alec. Welcome to our antique shop. No, we got delivery yesterday of the chandeliers. We won in auction. That was in
Cannes.
in Cannes. That was a while ago,
Yes.
4 or 5 weeks ago. But they delivered last night. So we have to go through this one here, and you can see I'm 176. You can see, and then we have one here.
This is lot number 48, yeah.
Yeah, one there. The third one there. Fourth one. And then the Italian one is in boxes. In total of 9 boxes.
Of all the pieces.
All the pieces.
Oh my god, it's big, yeah.
And we spoke to the people who delivered yesterday. He said it wasn't difficult to take them down, but that one there, they had to take down piece by piece. And that was difficult. And we had to put it together.
And he did wish us good luck.
Yeah, which is good luck, yes.
Many times.
Yes. So we're gonna just we have in French.
In France.
In France, you have within 48 hours to report any damages. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna open them up to see if there's anything that is damaged.
Yeah.
Polystyrene foam pieces look like sugar pieces. If you see inside there. To assemble this.
Oh my god, we need to find some box to put the foam in, Johan, because we can reuse them.
Yes.
And what kind of box gonna be? Because all this is a foam.
Yeah, and that's the smaller box. Look at that one.
I don't know how we're gonna do this.
We're gonna do those. Inside there's a foam sheet. So we take that off, and then we will take off the screws and gently put this back in and lift this sheet, and hopefully this will end up in the bag.
We have to do this with 4 and 5 of them.
Yeah.
It will never be done today. It's made already.
If anyone wants any foam, we're selling it very cheap.
And after this, we're gonna put all the foam back on again. After we check to see everything's fine. Now, finally we can open it. We need to move the other chandelier out because we cannot work. What did you just drop?
I know it's a screw there. We'll open gently.
Ta-da!
Even Nobby got excited.
Wow! This is the second biggest. Wow. We working in the outbuildings and the light is not so good. Yeah, everything look fine, isn't it?
Yeah. Beautiful.
They have been repinned too. They've been worked on already. So they're good condition. But of course they come from the château,
very
right?
good electric. You don't hardly notice it. They have built it in very well.
Yeah. Color coated everything.
Yeah. Up there too. Ding ding ding.
Yeah, you don't notice it. These look like Italian work to me. You think?
Yeah.
You see the details on the the brass. I don't think this is French. Anyone can ID this.
And here, you see the bottleneck? This is where they attach this piece that we saw in the box down there. There. Maybe you cannot capture that.
Yes, I can, but I have
Through here.
I have to kind of move.
That one there.
Yeah.
The one in Sweden, it was only covered to here. So all this was loose, so I had to repackage all these on the one I picked up there. Shall we open the door?
No, what? The reveal. Dun, dun, dun. Any damage?
No, I want to know where that big one come from.
Yes. Let's see here. Let me do like this. Dun, dun. Oh, beautiful gilt. Really nice. I think it's probably beginning of 1900. This one, because it's similar style.
Is it one of these? You see here?
Yeah.
There's one there, one there, one. There's missing here.
Yeah.
So that's the one there, and probably the lower piece is in the box. There's one more box that we got with the delivery.
Yeah. So it's nothing cracked and damaged, right?
No,
It's
beautiful.
dirty.
There it is. And attach this
The
one.
crystal is glass.
Let's see. Crystal. It's
Crystal.
crystal. You can hear when the bling bling bling. Crystal. Yep, this is gonna be one heavy thing.
This one have been we do like that. They put this on him thing. I prefer the other one. This one is beautiful.
You can see how
but
big
the
it
other
is,
one
right?
are nicer.
Look
the
how
first
big.
one.
How? Look at this here.
Yeah.
And under each one hangs again. This one here, like this.
Yeah. You want like this one? Which one you guys like? Oh, that's nice. That one there. That there.
Ta-da!
This number 3. Wow. Wow. Which one is your favorite?
It gets difficult. They all get better and better every time we open another one. So it is beautiful. This one. We have 2 identical like this.
Yeah. So we managed to get 5 chandeliers from this chateau.
It's beautiful.
Wow. Let us know which one is your guys' favorite. I definitely have my favorite already.
It's nice this thing on top there.
This one, I mean.
Yeah.
It's big.
So cute, Novi. Novi, where have you been? So cute.
ไม่ได้ควันไม่ได้ควัน
ได้ไหม
ฮะ
น่ารักมาก Yeah, but it's so cute.
Ant.
What did he bark about?
Trying to get a mouse. Or mouse or
Maui. Hi, Maui.
mouse or
Hi, Maui.
rabbit.
Maui, you want to be on the car with Papa too? Yeah, come on.
She been before.
No, I want to take pictures of her. Hi, Maui.